Okay guys, so I am at work and I'm gonna take down all my dinosaur stuff. That's my Sour Patch Kids. Don't judge, okay? My dinosaur stuff is going away. Me, sad. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, so I kept everything that I needed, like my shelf. My nails are messed up. Shelf, phone, 2 plants. My information stuff that I need. Alright, let's see. I brought some goodies, guys. Spooky. Okay guys, so I got in trouble. So I couldn't record everything, but hopefully you could hear me. Alright, so on my YouTube journey, I'm realizing that I'm really bad at filming outros. So, since I got in trouble at work and I had to delete half my footage, and then I realized that some of the footage actually had HIPAA violations in it, so it got deleted anyway. But I am hoping that you definitely stick around to the end and you subscribe. So we will see you in the next video, okay? Definitely like this video, so thumbs up, comments like, did you have any ideas for decorating your cubicle this holiday? I cannot wait for Christmas. I think I'm gonna do like a Disney theme, or like a gingerbread theme, not sure yet, but I hope that you guys stick around and I will see you later. So subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Bye.